Hi, I'm Rochelle, the mother of the mother-daughter team of Godiva's Secret Wigs. And recently I shot a video with Norma and Dan, and my hair was all hidden and I had a top piece over it, a wavy top. And so many of you were asking about it and how I did it. So I got comments from Jackie and PT and Cheryl T. How do I use a top piece without showing any of my own hair? So it just so happens it's going to be a hot day today and my hair looks okay, but I want it all up and out of my face. I never blow dried the back, so I'm kind of a frizzy mess, but I'm going to show you how to use a top piece to cover all of your hair. It's going to be really cute. Actually, two different ways. And I'm going to show it on the wavy top, the tailor top, the long top, and also the monofilament long top, okay? So let's go. So you know I'm not going to use any bangs on this, and whether my hair is curly or smooth, whether your hair is long or you can get a little baby bun, just make that bun as high as you want. If you want extra height up here, see right now how the bun is going, if I'm going to put the piece on, it's going to be higher, and I want that little height. Some of you want your bun lower so you don't have any height. Up to you, but I'm not doing anything fancy. So there you have it. If you have longer hair, you can just twist your hair around it, pop in some bobby pins to secure it in place. And if your hair is the same consistency, I mean, if your hair is super straight, then it depends what length your hair is, if the wavy top will work. But I'm sure many of you, like me, I have all four wavy tops, all four top pieces, because they're just all fun to work with. So my first tip of the day, anytime you're going to put a wig or a hairpiece on, unless you're putting it like I am, I have a button down top I'm going to wear today. I'm just in my little robe. Otherwise, always put your clothes on first, because you don't want to do such a great job on your hair and then you've got to pull it over your hair. Not fun, and it'll frustrate you. So I'm going to start with the wavy top. So that's all I did. If you're not familiar with our top pieces, they're amazing. There's 4 clips. They have rubber grippers, and you can find so many tutorials out of our over 300 videos on YouTube, Godiva's Secret Wigs. Okay, so for these looks that I'm going to make, I am not clipping the bottom 2 clips. Shocker. So I have the 2 top clips open. I'm flipping. This is the wavy top. It comes with or without roots. So before I do anything else, I always want to make sure the front around my face is something I like. And if you work too hard on this, ladies, it's going to start to look phony. So I just kind of let my fingers do the playing. Now, all I'm doing, I'm grabbing it up, and I can twist it, and I can put a little clip. Let me do that and show you. And that's it. On the video I did with Norma and Dan, excuse me, Dan, I left a couple of little ringlets around. I wanted a little mess. And my hair happened to be curly, so I pulled a couple of little pieces out. But that's it. So amazing on a hot day. Okay, so this is the wavy top. Just unclip those top clips, and ladies, our top pieces are so comfortable and so secure. Honest to goodness, there is nothing else I do than what I'm showing you right now. It's crazy. It doesn't have to be more difficult. So if you're new to wigs or pieces, please don't make the story in your mind that they are really difficult, because I'll tell you a secret, some of them are, but not Godiva's Secret Wigs. We wear our pieces, we know what they are, we know how to work with them, and they're created to be easy and look great. So I'm going to do the same look, and then I'm going to show you a different look in a minute. But just to show you, I'm going to pop on tailor top right at the hairline. You hear the snap. Make sure your bangs are the way you want them. Okay, and then again, I'm just taking this. I could twist it and I could shove it right up inside if you don't want to see the ends. And then I can put another sweet little clip just right up against that bun that I made. How'd I do? I didn't even look, but if you want something cool and easy and you want all your hair hidden, but you have to have enough hair at the hairline, just a little bit, to clip the clip on, okay? Because we want it secure. Now you could always put your sunglasses on top for extra security. You could, you know, that's great for an outside look. I love it. I could pull a couple of little stringy pieces of my hair just to work with it. It's just playing, ladies, really. So this is tailor top. Now I'm going to do my hair a little differently. And I want to show you a whole different look. So I can do what we call a half up. I'm taking half of my hair, and you don't have to have a lot of hair. You can have any kind of hair, okay? So I'm leaving this part down for the moment, and I'm putting my hair up again in a bun. And I can spread it out if I want. You can have a little baby bun. It's okay. It works great. So I'm leaving this part of my hair down for now. So I'm going to start with our long top, our beautiful long top. Most of these pieces come with roots, as you're seeing, or without roots. So you can find everything on our website, godivasecretwigs.com. So here's what I do. Once again, and again, remember, we are hiding all of our hair for this video. I'm going to look and see which way do I want this parted. And this is all you do, ladies. Just make sure your fingers don't have makeup and are greasy as you're touching the piece, because you'll keep our wigs, or any of your wigs, cleaner longer, and that goes for hair pieces too. So I'm kind of feeling it this way a little bit. I'm going to give myself a little height. Okay, so remember, I haven't clipped the back, so here's how it looks. I'm not done yet, all right? So now, remember that hair of mine that I left down? Let me show you what I do with it. I'm going to put a little behind my ears, just knowing, planning that I'm going to leave these pieces long. Now I'm gathering up the top, the long piece, any top piece, with my hair. And I am twisting very slowly, just taking my time, coming upwards. And you could clip right there and leave this hair, or you can shove it right in there. See that? And you can use a clip or a few clips or bobby pins. I'm doing it really simple right now. So I am yeah, it's not bad. I want to look at the back though. I'm feeling that there's a hole right there. So not good. So I'm going to do it again. And I think, you know, I'm just going to clip those back clips to my bun, to anything right back there. And let's try it again. You could, because I'm not feeling it with the bun right now. So I'm going to pull that hair from my bun out. I'm going to start again. Because guess what? This is all spontaneous. I'm doing it for you and I'm learning too. So I think I'm going to leave it just like this down instead of with the bun this time. And another time I may do the same piece with my hair and it's going to come out perfect. So every day is different. So I have this, I'm ready, I'm twisting, and I think I'm just going to come up and clip. And I think that would look really cute. So you see how my hair is swept up here? You can see my hair. So the illusion is really real and people love that. And you can see how this can be flatter. Ladies, those of you that want it teased higher, we can tease it. And I'm going to do another video on teasing and all of that kind of stuff. But right now, this is look number 2. This is the regular long top. Okay? Can't you just see it with some cute hanging earrings and whatever? So I want to show you how this item will look, how this hairstyle will look with a monofilament. Because I get a lot of comments when I work with one piece, many of you will wonder about another piece. This is a monofilament. That means that the hairs here are put in hair by hair. And it looks like real scalp here. Take my word for it. However, with a monofilament, you are not going to be able to get a lot of fullness because it's not teased at the crown because it's put in hair by hair. All right, so if you like a flatter look for sure, and you don't ever want it fuller, and maybe you have thinner hair already, and you don't want to look like you have too much hair, then go for monofilament. So let me show you. Always right up at the hairline. So let's see. So right now this is feeling too closed, too low for me. I'm going to back it up just a bit. But the monofilament is beautiful. Look, this is the piece, okay? It's amazing. So I think I'm going to switch sides, which is really fun to do. Many of you wonder and you write me, is there a part? Can I switch things? Well, you can try it, but the most important thing to me is that it looks natural. So I don't really care what side it's parted on. But wow, look at that. I could leave it there, or I could just pull this and clip it. But we're still talking about updos, really not showing our hair. So I've clipped in the front. Now I'm going to clip in the back. Because with the mono, many of you don't want the extra height, so I'm going to leave it right there. And then I'm going to pull a few pieces that I want for around my face, make a little mess. I'm never looking for perfection because perfect hair is a wig, okay? That's been played with too much. Let me finish that. Godiva Secret Wigs, they are meant to put on and in 2 minutes you go. But if you are playing with and touching and teasing and spraying your wigs or your pieces, you're making it too perfect. And that's just my humble opinion. You might not agree. That's cool. But well, this is my head. That's what I believe. So I've pulled back. And now again, I'm clipped up here. I'm all covered. I can feel it. And down low, I'm starting to twist. I'm just twisting one way. It's really fun to do. And now I'm going to shove that extra hair right inside. And I think I'm going to use, let's see if these little clips are strong enough to hold the piece. You can always use some bobby pins. But I love sparkles. Just give me glitter, give me sparkles, I'm happy. And let's keep working our way down. So I'm not going out this very minute. If I were, I would probably have my top on now, and I would turn around always with a mirror very slowly and inspect the back, make sure that it looks natural. I might pull a couple of pieces out. I don't know, I just feel like it right now. Let's just see. I know a lot of you like your scarves, you like more of a mess. So I'm just playing, and I might pull a little of my hair out to work with it. Okay, I'm going to put a clip up here just so you can see, because those little clips were not enough for my hair and the hairpiece. I have to remember to keep my hands off so you can see. But this is just the plain, so those are two very easy ways to use our top pieces and hide all of your hair. It's great. I hope you like it. I like it. I'm gonna have to decide which one I'm gonna wear today. So thanks so much for watching. Love your comments, all right? Have a great day. Bye.